If you've been following me on my YouTube channel, you know that I love getting free stuff, and I've been getting free stuff off Amazon for a while. I wanted to take the opportunity to invite you to check out this website again, because this month they're doing a referral contest and I would love to win the $100 for the referral contest. This website that I use, of course, all this stuff behind me has come pretty much free. If not, I might have paid $1 or $2 for it. Everything, you buy it off Amazon and then you wait 35 days and they send you a check back for the amount. Well, most of the items that I get is 100%. And there's lots of different items, so you kind of have to just check out the site. It's a rebate site, so some things are 10% off, some things are 50% off, and some things are free. Now, I'm on that site a whole lot. I get on every day. I check multiple times a day. That's how I'm getting so much free stuff, is because I'm constantly checking. But if you just want a good deal on an item, you can also get a lot of stuff that way. One thing I'll tell you about this site is you do not have to leave reviews. I rarely ever leave reviews. You just pick the items that you want to get and then buy them on Amazon, and of course after your 35 days you get your rebate. I'm going to show you all the items that I have gotten this past month. I've gotten about $1,000 worth of stuff absolutely free, and I'm just going to show you all the stuff that I got. And if you want to sign up for the site, I will have all the links in the description box. I also made a video showing you exactly step by step how the rebate site works, so I'll put that video in the description box also. Here's some little stickers. Got these little organic square bites. Of course, whenever you can find free food, that's absolutely amazing. I got this little tool for my husband because he does the adult coloring books and he's always looking for little angles and, you know, little ideas on that. I got these two kits that are the same. I actually got them for the soap, so Steven, my husband, can use them to shave. I got this organic moisturizer for my face. This is some body butter. I thought this was absolutely cute, and I love that it says gratitude on it. A little dish to put your rings on. I got two things of temporary tattoos. I got a dog toy, which I got this and I thought it would be a little bit bigger for my mom's dog, but it's kind of small. But if we don't use it, we'll end up donating it to a dog shelter. Of course, whenever you can find free paper plates, straws, and cups, I always get them because we always use them for parties. I got these two bathroom rugs. I actually had to stay up to midnight to get these, but I got both of them and I was totally excited to get them. I got this really cute anklet that comes in a bag. I got this brush set. My husband always uses these little brushes, so I figured having a backup is always a good idea. Some baby nail trimmers. This is a cool relief cream for if you have aches and pains. If you hit them or something, I'm not really sure, but they light up different colors. I got one that was a bunny, and then one that was a bear that's still in the box right here. See, nightlight, companion. I thought it'd be a lot of fun to play with. This is a whole bunch of brushes, and I have some different paints that I've gotten for free through this site a couple months ago. So of course I needed some nice brushes to use, and now I have them. Here is a head lamp, a little brush. Just really excited to get this candle. It smells so good, and it looks like a really pretty candle. Some dog shampoo. Anytime I have a dog shampoo or a dog toy that comes up free, I get it. Tons and tons of nutritionals. If you need any kind of nutritionals, this is the site that you should check out, because I mean, I got all these free. I might have paid tax on some of them, but other than that, they were all free. And if you check out my other videos, you'll see that every month I'm constantly getting nutritionals, probiotics. I mean, that's something everybody should be taking. I got this hoping that it'll help me with my energy, because sometimes I have rundown energy. So tons and tons of nutritionals. And then in here, there's actually an essential oil, a tea tree essential oil. Here's another flashlight. This is a little box that candle came in. Right there. It was really cute. This is a juice squeezer. You put your little lemon or something in there and you can kind of squeeze the juice out. I got this, even though I'm not really sure who I'm gonna give it to. I thought it was so cute. I wish that I had something like this when Madison was little, but this was totally free, guys. I got it totally free, and it's a $30, $40 item. Totally free. I was really excited about this item because it is a workout bag, or like just a duffel bag for traveling around, and I can put all my stuff in there. I got this for Steven because he's going to school for massage therapy, and this will be really good for when he's giving massages. I got these for my dad. They're little bike gloves. These are just little bags, little baggies to put stuff in. I got 2 different camping mats, and they're really easy. We actually already have used this one because we needed to go someplace, and I just blew it up and put it on the floor, and my daughter slept on it and she really enjoyed it and she told me it was really comfortable. I also got this box of candy. I normally try not to get junk food, but I thought this was such a cool little box with different little snack items that I thought if anything I could give them away for little gifts. So there you go. That's all the stuff that I've gotten in the past 35 days. If you want to see all the stuff that I've gotten since November, because I've been doing this website since November, check out all my videos on my channel. If you want to see that I've actually gotten my checks from this rebate site, I did videos on that too, so you can find those videos. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and check out my other videos on my channel. I will put all the links you need to get your free stuff in the description box. And I guess that's it. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!